Shapes of bacteria. Majority of bacteria have one of the three shapes. We have cocci. These are circular to ovoid-shaped bacteria. They have either circular, ovoid or spherical shaped. And remember, cocci is a plural word. Singular is coccus. So a one bacteria will be called coccus, whereas multiple bacteria will be called cocci. Then we have bacilli. Bacilli are basically rod-shaped bacteria. You can see they're rod-shaped. Again, the word bacilli is plural, mean multiple bacteria will be presented by bacilli. But it's the bacillus which represent a singular term, means one single bacteria will be called bacillus, whereas multiple bacteria will be called bacilli. So bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria. Then we have spiral-shaped bacteria. They have spiral-shaped. You can see the spiral shape of the bacteria. Various arrangements of cocci exist. Cocci can arrange in the form of clusters. You can see this is how these bacteria can arrange. An example is Staph aureus bacteria. Cocci can arrange in form of chains. You can see this is the chain arrangement of cocci bacteria. An example is Streptococcus. Then cocci can also arrange in the form of pairs. Now these pairs can have pointed ends. So this is the pair arrangement. An example of such a bacteria is Streptococcus pneumonia. Then cocci in pairs can also arrange in form of kidney shaped. You can see this is the kidney shaped arrangement in pairs of cocci. An example of such bacteria is Neisseria species. So this is how various arrangements of cocci exist. Cocci, which are, we said, circular shaped bacteria, can arrange in such patterns either in the form of clusters or chains, or in pairs which can have pointed ends, or in pairs they can have a kidney shaped structure. An example of each bacteria you should know. Rod shaped bacteria can also have various arrangements. These include rod shaped bacteria with the square ends. An example of such a bacteria is Bacillus species. Then rod shaped bacteria can also have round ends. An example of such a bacteria is Salmonella. Then round shaped bacteria can also have club shape. You can see this is the club shaped bacteria. An example is Corynebacterium. Fusiform bacteria, they have fusiform shaped. An example is Fusobacterium. Then we can have coma shaped bacteria. An example of such a bacteria is Vibrio. You can see coma shaped bacteria. So these are the various other shapes of bacteria, which includes rod shaped bacteria with the square ends, and those with the round ends, club shaped bacteria, fusiform shaped, and coma shaped bacteria. Spiral shaped bacteria, also known as spirochetes. These includes bacteria which have relaxed coils. So those with the relaxed coils, you can see this is the relaxed coil pattern. An example of such a bacteria is Borrelia. And these spirochetes bacteria can also have tight coil. You can see tightly coiled arrangement of such bacteria. An example of such a bacteria which forms a tight coil is Treponema. So spiral shaped bacteria can have either relaxed coil arrangement or they can have a tight coil arrangement.